Hi, I started with this thrifted wall clock. It's too red and has some company logo and image on it. Definitely can't use it just as it is, so I had to take it apart. I wanted to cover all the visible red areas, so I added some white and black acrylic colors to get a grey shade and carefully painted the side walls. Even every nook and corner and groove, I went carefully through them. The outer rim of the clock, I painted it in all white acrylic color. After 3 coats of paint, one night to dry and tons of patience, this is how it looks. I found using a sponge is more effective while adding patina details. I used some aquamarine blue and added it onto the edges and sometimes randomly. I had to wait again and let this layer dry. Then I added some green to my blue and dabbed it over the blue so that more depth perception is there. Then over this wet paint, I added more details using black color and it gives more depth to this. Lastly, to top it all, I used metallic bronze color to get my stone or patina or verdigris effect. For the face of my clock, I chose 2 images from calendars and using the old clock face as a template, I cut out 2 semicircles and pasted them well. Now I have a color block effect and my 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock are very well marked. The final step, assemble the clock back. The before look of my thrifted red clock with logos on it, and this is how it looks after I've transformed it into a cool, modern, very chic, color block, ultra modern, minimalist kind of a look of the clock. I'm loving it. Let me know in the description box below how do you like this project. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.